Hi guys, quick video here. Have you ever wondered to yourself why Chinese equipment is so ridiculously cheap and it doesn't last 5 minutes? Well, here in this video I'm going to share the secret. Now this is a plasma cutter. I usually don't repair things like this, but it's somebody I know. He bought it on eBay about 6 months ago. It worked for a bit and it's gone off with a big bang, and he said would I have a quick look at it. So I opened it up and I find rows and rows of FETs have blown inside. I'll just stop the camera and I'll put it on its side. Right, this is one of the side. There's 1, 2, 3, 4. There's 6 FETs blown there, and there's 6 on the other side. Now the first thing that starts alarm bells ringing is, get my screwdriver. If you look at all these FETs that are blown, if you just look under the circuit board here, look at the lengths of the leads. See, that's sticking right out. That's right in. Now, there's hardly any leads at all on there. You might be forgiven for thinking these haven't been cut very well, or some haven't been cut at all, but that's totally wrong. I've taken the screws out the other side. I'll just turn over. Right, there we go. That's the other side. I've removed them brackets that hold the FETs in. Now, if we get the camera, you see, this is the same story. All the leads are different size. That hasn't even got a middle one. It's soldered on the top. Now, if we take a look there, and get the camera to zoom in, that's it. If you look just round there, there's a ring. It's very difficult to see. You need a jeweler's eyeglass, but there's a clearly defined ring in there. Now, obviously, that ring has not been made by screwing a flat piece of metal on. What it is that is not a new device. There's been a screw in there. These are all old devices that have been removed from some e-waste scrap boards. I don't know if you can tell on the camera, but all these FETs have all got different batch numbers on. Now, if this was something produced in a high-tech factory, all these would come from the same manufacturer and they'd all have same numbers on. But these are all completely different devices. Right, I'll just stop the camera again. Right, moving on to the top now. There's another transistor on top here. It looks like some sort of FET. Just bend it back a bit. If you can see, it's just standing up on the board. There's no heatsink attached to it. Now, if you look very closely, right down the middle, where that normally would screw to a heatsink, there's heatsink compound actually in the hole. So you can see that this isn't brand new either. And what's happened is all these semiconductors, these have all been removed from old boards. So the problem is, this might have already had 10 years use before it was put into this machine. And that's why the Chinese can produce things so cheap and they don't last 5 minutes. Just see if we can get a shot into the back. There, camera's focused, and can you see the heatsink compound in that hole? That's where that's already been screwed into something. So that's the secret of why Chinese equipment is so cheap. Just give you another shot of these. See all the different lead lengths. These whole lot of semiconductors are all ones that have been removed from old boards. They've probably been tested, obviously, to make sure they work, and that's why you buy stuff like this. It's ridiculously cheap, but it doesn't last 5 minutes. So thanks for watching, guys, and subscribe to my channel for more.